Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the music function of this wearable. So this smartwatch do have a Bluetooth music control and a local music storage. So we'll try this one. We'll have a demo and see if it works with our local music storage. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And if you are interested to see the music control function of the Realme Watch 5, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the music control function of the Realme Watch 5. As you can see here, we do have the music control function. There are at least 3 functions or options. We have the mobile music control. So this is the Bluetooth music control function. We have the watch music, that is the built-in music control with an option for the Bluetooth earphone. In this video, we are going to explore the local music storage. On our next video, we'll have the mobile music. This time, let's have the local music storage. We have here a stored music, a sample. It's Realme. Let's listen to this one. So we have an option to adjust the volume. We have the list here. We have this one is shuffle, I think, random. Okay, so let's try. It's just the volume. Okay, nice speaker by the way for the Realme. Very sharp, very crisp, and it's loud. The speaker is very good. Stop. Okay, aside from this, we can also add our own music or audio. So let's try. So we have here the Realme Link app. I will show you the steps here. So just go to the more functions. Then we have here the music control. Select it. You can create your own playlist. So let's new added music. Okay, so this is our playlist. Then let's add our own music. Add local. So we have here at least 2. Then done. Okay, 2 tracks will be synced to the device. Confirm. Okay, and as you can see here, it's now transferring the audio or the music files in our smartwatch. Hopefully it works. So the transfer is it complete? Again, let's see. New added music. So we have here 2 music files. Aside from the first one, the Realme.mp3, we have Just Relax and Hey.mp3. I guess let's check. Music control, information display. Seems like everything is okay here. Let's double check here and let's have a demo. So we have a song here. Let's see. New added music. Let's select our playlist. Nice, we have it here. So let's listen. Okay, volume adjustment. Go back. Then stop. Next. Yes, it works. What are the options here? Okay, stop. Go back. Go back. Shuffle. This is shuffle. Yeah, that's it. So the local storage music for our Realme Watch 5 works. Okay, I don't have any details yet on how many songs you can send to the smartwatch. I don't have the capacity or I don't have the storage space details for this wearable. I just discovered this morning on the local music storage when I check on the music control function for the Realme Watch 5. I will just put it here. I'll just put the details here on the video, okay, about the storage capacity. But so far, this is a very good news for the Realme Watch 5 fans, or for those who are planning to get this smartwatch. Again, there's a local music storage aside from the Bluetooth music control. And so far, the speaker is very good here, and with support for the Bluetooth earphone. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the local music storage for the Realme Watch 5. Okay, on our next video, we are going to explore the other feature, the mobile music control function. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.